to another episode of MudRunner American Wilds. Right, where are we today? I was doing the challenges, that was it. Done that one, I need to do this one next. Crane operator. Let's have a look. There we go. Use the forest crane to collect and pack logs. Bonus objectives. Don't damage your vehicle or any other vehicle. Yeah, like that's going to happen. Don't break any wooden fences. Yeah, like that's going to happen. Complete the challenge without using a differential lock. Yeah. Awesome. Awesome. Look at this bad boy. Me lucky this good. That's cool. Right, what am I doing? I'm just going to not worry about the shit. Right, do you know what? Because I haven't played this for a while, I can't remember how to change gear. How did you change gear? Hang on. That was it. Auto. There we go. I had to think for a minute there. Drive to the village. Driving to the village. There we go. Oh, that looks so cool. So I just love zooming in on the trucks. Oh, they look so cool, don't they? Right. Here we go, another one. Yeah. Living the dream. What am I doing? Oh, I'm going there. Right, I've got to reverse it in by the looks of it. How am I going to reverse in there? Can't I just put it anywhere? Get over. Oh. Move it. Right, hang on. What am I... I can't remember how to get it. How do I do it? That's it. Right. So there, like a little puppy. Right, let's try that. Nope, that's really slow. Try it there. Put it all the way up now, you idiot. There. 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 Right. Oh, I'll use the diff lock. I was meant to put all wheel. Oh, I don't know. That do me. Oh, for fuck's sake. I'll just go for it. There we go. No, in gear. There we go. There. Thank you. Right, let's go. That'll do. I don't care about the stars for a minute. There we go. Right, and I'm going to hit a fence. 100%. Oh, hang on. Oh, why was it showing it there? Now it's showing it there. That's a bit weird. It was showing it there. Oh, it is showing it there now. Oh, we're going to get a fence. Here we go. Fence down. Look at this. Fantastic. Yep. Handbrake. Use the forest crane to pick up logs and put them into the truck. What logs? Eh? What logs? I'm a little bit confused there. Enter advanced mode. Turn anchors. Ooh. Push anchors. Ooh. Crane. Where's the logs? Right. Use the forest crane to pick up the logs and put them into the trunk. Put them in the trunk. Use the keyboard to move the crane grabber. Press 5 to grab the logs and place it inside the trunk. Select a point on the log to see the area where it should be placed. What logs? Hang on. Use the keyboard to move the crane grabber. Oh, look at this. Ah. Ooh. No, that one goes like that. That goes like that way. Oh. Oh. Rotate grappler. Space and R together. No, I don't know what's happening there. Right, move up and down. E and Q. Oh my god, this is confusing. Right, what logs? Am I being really stupid here, or is there no logs? Smash. Oh yeah. Oh, there's one. There we go. Forward your leg. I can't change the angle. Hang on, exit cockpit camera. Here we go. That's probably worse angle actually. No, the one. Hang on. E. No, Q. Oh, look at this. How do we, oh my god. 5. No. Huh. Get it. No, so I want to go forward slightly, don't I? Ah, here we go. And then go down. There we go. Oh, and then 5. Oh yeah, look at that. Then up is E. Is that up E? Yep. Oh, that's going to drop, isn't it? Why can't I go up any more than that? Oh my god. How am I going to get this back? That's down. Why is it not going up anymore? Move towards me. Oh, hang on. If I rotate, and then bring it back this way, like a pro, and then I want to go that way. Jesus Christ. Oh God, help me. No. Whoa. That way. And then go that. No. That way. Oh my god. This is really. Yeah, I know I've got it. That arrow telling me all the time I've got it. I know. How do I go up? Q? No. E? Ah, that's it. And then I want to go. No. Oh god. It's going to be in there. Trust me. And then Q. No. Rotate. R for rotate. There we go. Look at this. This is going in there like a boss. And then that one. Oh yeah. Look at this. Sort of. Let me get it over that way a bit. There's that there, like that. So it looks neater. How do I let go? Just press 5, shall I? She's in there. Release the wooden log. Click restore to restore the crane to its transporting position. Awesome. Right, restore. Yeah, I have restored it. Here we go. Restore, I have. Restored. Restored. Right, exit advanced mode. Use the forest crane to pick up logs, so I've got to get some more, have I? So I must have to get that one as well. Ah, the frick it, I got reverse in there. Oh, I still got my things up, haven't I? Hang on. This could be tricky. Push anchors. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Yeah. We like that good. Right, here we go. Now I've got to try and get in there without hitting the fence again. No chance. There we go. Back in here. Whoa. Right. Awesome. You can do it. I am getting no stars for this. That's the annoying thing. So I've pretty much done everything you're not meant to do. I don't care. As long as I've done it. There we go. Right, here we go. Crane time. Anchors. Swing. Push anchors. Crane. There we go. Why can't I turn in that mode? That's annoying. Right, here we go. Oh, I've forgotten what to do already. No, that one. That one. That one. Am I anywhere near? No. There. There. I go there. Oh, look at this. Looking tight. A bit more on it. Look at this. This is going to be a good one. No, turn it that way. And then I want to go down. Yeah, look at this. 5, grab, and then up. That one. And then in towards me. Look at this. I'm getting a pro at this now. Oh no, I'm not. Hang on. There. 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 Right, now if I turn it with that one. And then go down with that one. Stop swinging. That way. Look at this. Oh no, that way. That's in there, it's in there, it's in there. There we go. Fantastic. Right. Restore crane. Push anchors. Oh. Push anchors. Turn anchors. I might have I done that the right way? Yes. Living it. Right, have I got to do another one? I don't know. Where's the other one? There. Jesus Christ. There we go. Whoa. In here nicely without touching that car. What's this? Full pro style. There. There. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, just to let you know, I'm purchasing MudRunner tomorrow. I'm actually purchasing the first MudRunner game. They've got offer on it at the moment and all the DLC. Well, I think most of the DLC for it. So I'll be getting that tomorrow. Right, actually buying, by the way. Full on. What am I doing? Oh yeah. Right, V. Oh, 2 logs here. I'm going to get both at the same time. Right. Push anchors. Oh no. Turn anchors. Push anchors. Crane. I don't like that view. I don't get that view. That's it. Right. Up we go. So I want to go. No. Oh God. It's so simple, Phil, and you can't remember any of this. That one. Get my little thing lined up. Forward. I'm going to get both at the same time. Here, watch this. Look at me, I'm getting a pro now. Oh. Freaking awesome at this shit. Yes, both. Yeah, look at this. Up. Oh. Hang on. Right. That's the bastard, he won't pick up both at the same time. Oh, no. Well, that's bloody stupid. Right, I need to get one. So I need to go down very that way a bit. Why don't you pick up both at the same time? That's not going to work, is it? Hang on. Let me see. I need to go down. Push that one away. Hang on. I'll go up a bit here. Forward. And I want to go down. Just stop spinning. Down just on the one. That's going to get both there, isn't it? Oh, yep. Oh, God's sake. Oh, it's moved him, though. Yeah, look. I've actually moved him away. So if I go down on the swing, got it. 5. Oh, have I got that? Not sure there. Ah! That's it. Right, up. There we go. Won't pick up 2, that's weird, isn't it? Oh, hit the tree! There we go. Let's have a bit of swing on my log. There. There. Right, down. I am getting the hang of it, though. Not as bad as I was a minute ago. Right, if I go down on the swing, ready? Yeah, look at that. That's what you get with age, experience. Oh, there you go, that one there. Swing it that way. If I can take that tree out. One there, forward. Down. Down that way. Down. Bit of swing. Nope, that way. There. 5. Yee. Up. Does that log seem heavier? Struggling with that puppy. Okay, let's bring it in. Look at this. I think I should actually get jobs as a crane driver. Crane operator. Right, here we go. No, that way. Swing on that. Right, here we go. That way. Right, I want to go for that way. Down. It's sort of there, isn't it? Has it got to go exactly in? Yeah. Right, on the swing. Bada bing. 5. Yeah. All in? Or is he in there properly? Yeah, sort of. So if I go... That was all the logs there, wasn't it? Yeah. Fantastic. No, I want to go back into that. I want to push anchors up. Turn. Oh, no. No! What am I doing? Crane restore. Click any point on the wooden logs in the back of the truck to pack them. Oh! Ah. Yay! No, I don't want that view. Restore. Pack the clicked logs together and drive to the marked location. Oh, that's... I didn't get that many. I did not get that many. Right, where's the marked location? Where? Hey? Out there. Whoa, that is heavy. That's some heavy shit. There we go. Oh no. No, right, turn the wheel that. No! Oh my god, I'm going over. Holy shit, man, do right, backwards, retreat. Do not tip, do not tip. Jesus Christ, right, that way. Whoa, I'm gonna go that way now. Holy crap. Oh, no, do not tip over. Flat out. Jesus Christ, I thought I was a goner then. Don't damage your vehicle. Oh, I didn't damage the vehicle. I actually got a star. Don't break the wooden fence. Yeah, I did that. Complete challenge without using the differential lock. No, I was not going for that. Because I've been there all day. 20 minutes that took me. Jesus Christ. People probably do that in about 3 minutes. Bloody hell. That was cool though. I enjoyed that. That was awesome. Fantastic. Another challenge done. See you in the next vid for the next challenge. Ciao Mondo.